Today, I'm sharing the 8 essential steps to get your bookkeeping blooming like my favourite herb garden. Let's dig in. First things first, get organised. Everything starts with good records. Receipts, invoices, statements, keep them all. Think of them as the seeds of your financial garden. You don't want to lose any. 2. Software. Oh, it's 2024. Please don't rely on paper alone. Choose something that works for you like Xero or QuickBooks. Trust me, it'll save you so much time. And let's be honest, it's far less boring than manual entry. Step 3. Track every expense from coffee to client lunches. If it's a business expense, it counts. 4. The fun part. Income. Don't get sloppy here. Every pound that comes in should be recorded. No sneaky shortcuts, alright? You want your books to be accurate, not guesswork. Make sure you separate business from personal. Reconciliation. It may be a fancy word, but it simply means ensuring your records align with your bank statements. Do this regularly, or you'll face a significant headache later. Set reminders. Tax deadlines wait for no one. Missing one of these can turn a smooth ride into a bumpy mess. Last but not least, don't be afraid to get help. Bookkeeping can be tricky, and if it all feels like too much, I'm here to help. Sometimes a little Rosemary Bookkeeping touch is just what your books need.